To bypass forgotten screen lock on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how you can do this. So first of all, you'd like to press the power button and the volume up button, just like this, to open the power menu, and you'd like to power off your phone completely. Wait a little bit until the phone shuts down completely, make sure that it is shut down completely, and after that, you'd like to turn your phone back on, but you will have to turn it on by pressing and holding the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. And after the Xiaomi logo appears, you'd like to release the power button and keep on holding the volume up button. So now let me quickly show you how you can do this. Now let's press and hold power button and the volume up button and keep on holding until the Mi logo appears. After that, release the power button and keep on holding this volume up button. After that, you have to keep on holding until the phone boots up into the recovery mode, and after that you'll be able to release, just like this. Right now we are in the recovery mode and you are able to release this volume up button. And now what we have to do is simply wipe all of the data on your phone, and this is actually the only way to bypass the forgotten screen lock. So right here you have the instruction to use volume buttons to select up and down and the power button to confirm. So from here, simply go down, go for the wipe data, and right here you'll have to go for wipe all data and confirm with the power button, and this should begin the factory reset of your phone. And unfortunately, this is the only way to bypass the forgotten screen lock. So that's how you can do this.